Hello friends, today we are discuss The Guide by R.K. Narayan novel. It is a R.K. Narayan, one of the eminent Indian novelists and short story writers. It has contributed a great deal the field of Indian writing in English. He has written several short stories. He has also written more than dozen novels which includes his masterpieces like Swami and Friends, The Guide, The Man Easter of Malgudi. Of his novels, The Guide has won Sahitya Akademi Award for Narayan. R.K. Narayan has also been awarded Padma Bhushan. The University of Leeds confirmed on him the Dilith degree. Above all, Narayan remains a notable regional novelist. The Guide is one of the masterpieces of R.K. Narayan. The novel has been filmed in Hindi. The film name is as Guide. Dev Anand and Wahida Rahman have played the major roles in it. And novels is full of humor, irony and satire. The introduction of novel is R.K. Narayan propagates Oriental philosophy in all his novels, the Guide is no exception. Like most of his works, the novel is based in Malgudi, fictional town in South India. The novel describes the transformation of the protagonist Raju from the tour guide to a spiritual guide. There are some main characters in this novel: Raju, Marco, Rosie, and Velen. Raju is the tourist guide, central character. Marco is the scholar and the anthropologist. Rosie is Marco's wife, and Velen is the villager. The Raju is known as a railway boy hero of the novel, work as a guide and as a fake saint and sympathetic and symbolic figure. There are Raju's father is also minor character, and Raju's mother and father both are the minor characters. There is a Marco is a anthropologist and studies culture of India. Studies curve verses and writes a book entitled Cultural History of India. Plays an important role to cause trouble to Raju. Roji is another one of the main important character. Rosie is Marco's wife and heroine and dicer and also educated girl. Good looking and helpful nature and respect her husband. Marco loves Raju truly. There is Helen is a villager from the Mangala and plays a vital part in making Raju the criminal into Raju the saint, simple, good nature and helpful character. The theme of the novel is The Guide is a novel about the rather serious issue of what constitutes an Guruthism. At any rate, is one of its major themes. There is furthermore the novel not only asks if Raju is a real guru but also if gurus are for real. At an even more complex level, the novel engage. There is a modernity, India reality, and Indian society as did it Europe. It is the childhood nature of Raju, and the next is the Raju as a guide, and next chapter is the Raju, Rosie and Marco. Then last and another chapter, fourth chapter is the Rosie as a public dancer. Next is the Raju's arrest as imprisonment, and last is the Raju as a saint, and last ending is a tragic end of Raju. There are some important character is Raju is a central character, grows up near a railway station. He is a grows up in railway station near a railway station and becomes a shopkeeper, then a resourceful tourist guide, then became a resourceful tourist guide. He meets Rosie, a beautiful dancer, and her husband, whom Raju nicknames Marco, and because the man dresses in a thick jacket, helmet, and undertaking an expedition like Marco Polo. There is a story of the novel is R.K. Narayan's novel. The guide is as most of his novels in Malgudi, fictional town, southern India. The novel is told through a series of flashbacks. The central character is a shopkeeper and then become a popular tourist guide by the name of Railway Raju. His success as a tourist guide lies in his sincerity, ingenuity, and intelligence, and he falls in love with Rosie, who is the epitome of beauty and talent for him. Rosie is a wife of Marco, who is blind to her physical and emotional needs. Characters of Rosie is a main character in the of the novel. She is presented in the novel as a beautiful dancer and wife of Marco. She is religious by nature as she believes in the goddess Saraswati and has a bronze image of Nataraja in her office. She is also like the traditional Indian wife. Her husband is like a god to her, and Marco calls her dancing skill as a street acrobatics and compares it is a monkey dancer. And then continue their Rosie and Marco engage Raju's services as a tourist guide and takes them sightseeing in she wants to see King Cobra dancing. Marco wants to study cave paintings, and Rosie and Marco quarrel constantly, and then Marco remains cold and aloof towards Rosie. While Marco is away studying cave painting, and Raju falls in love with Rosie. He wears the mask of a lover in order to gratify his lust for Rosie's and money. And when Marco discovers that Raju and Rosie have become lovers, Marco abandons her and return to Madras. There is a on the his in this way, there is a Raju is and released from the prison because of he is a criminal of the Marco. Raju stops to rest near the abandoned temple and wear a village name. Then the Raju does not want to return to disgrace to his friends in Malgudi and reluctantly decided to play the part of a holy man, and the Raju wears the mask of Saraswati Swami, but this mask becomes his face in the end. He is happy to accept the daily offering of God, which the villagers bring him, and gradually he accepts the roles which has been thrust upon him, and he acts as a spiritual advisor to the village community. There is transformation of Raju. The novel also tells two stories, that of Raju's relationship with Rosie and that the Raju's relationship with the villager as a holy man. There is transformation, is called as transformation of Raju. The novel begins with the Raju sitting beside the temple and meeting the villager named Villain, and who mistakes for him for a holy man. The novel then alternates between the account of Raju's career as a holy man, which is told in the third person, and Raju's account to villain of his previous career as a tour guide and lover, which is told in the first person. There is a dualism reflects in dualism in Raju's character. In he is transformed from a sinner to a saint, and though he is a never truly a sinner and never truly a saint because of his capacity for empathy, Raju is a sympathetic character throughout the novel. There is conclusion of this novel is the guide begins as a comic look at life of Rug, but develop into something different in its progression in a fairly compact and concise manner. The book convey and numerous aspects of the day-to-day lives of Indian people, the different culture systems, the superstitions and value of the people of a small town named Malgudi, and serves as a reflection of a Indian society altogether. There is central character of the guide is a story all around the central character, the guide. It means Raju. In this way, the story was a end at the reflection of Indian society. Thank you so much.